What's happening, mi gente? It's Louie the Boilerman, your HVAC Bobby. Guys, you know what time it is? We're installing two. That's right. Uno, dos. Mini split heads. That's right. So we didn't purchase this. The actual customer purchased the mini splits himself online. So the actual manufacturer called Blue Ridge, which I believe the main manufacturer or who supplies Blue Ridge is Alpine. But don't quote me on that, but I believe that's who makes Blue Ridge. But guys, we're not here for that. Today we're installing two indoor units and one outdoor condenser, guys. This mini split unit is a little bit different, it's a little bit tricky than the norm. But guys, listen, I'm not the judge of it. I'll let you be the judge. Look at the video, you let me know. Hey guys, let's get started. Let's make this money. Wepa.
Llama New York Caldero, fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero, New York Boiler en general, va a ponerle tu casa a enfriar.
Okay guys, first indoor unit we're installing is a ceiling mount unit, which is a little bit different than the norm. This particular customer wanted this particular style, so I'm going to show you guys. You guys can see a ceiling mount. There is, however, a little bit of a gap, and the reason for that is because, you know, on the floor joists, they're about 16 inches apart. So the actual unit doesn't line up exactly. So what we did is you got a piece of wood in the top. That's a little hard to see. So the floor joists are running this way, right? So we basically put a piece of wood, one in the front, one in the rear. That's a little gap, but we're going to cover it up with a piece of molding or some sort of a trim. Alright, you hit it. Now we're in the second room and we're about to install this second unit. So this, again, it's a little tricky because sometimes shit happens in construction, guys. So we will make it a hole going outside. You guys can see it. And then guess what? There's a line bulges there, and we cannot cut that line. So we have to make a few adjustments. Good thing I have my carpenter on hand, because guys, it's a one-stop shop, baby. That's right. So we'll show you guys quickly. So for this particular case, it's a wall mount, or a floor mount we call it, but he wants it a little bit above the floor because we have an outlet here. He doesn't want to lose the outlet. The other thing is, like I said, we're making a hole here, but you see there's a stud here, and we didn't know there was a wire here behind the wall. So we have to make some adjustments to make it work. Of course, we got the piece of plywood. I'm sorry, my plywood. It's a long day, guys. He's getting it to me. Got a piece of sheetrock. We'll make some adjustments. We're gonna compound it. We're gonna paint it. Then, of course, the unit's gonna cover this. So it's not gonna look too bad. But guys, this is what I say. Sometimes you go to a job and sometimes obstacles happen. Shit happens, guys. So you gotta make some adjustments. You gotta be ready for the worst. So worst case scenario is we have to do a patch. Best case scenario, if we didn't have to do this issue, it would have been just a 1, 2, 3 job. Make the hole, run the light sets, and we're good to go. But hey, it is what it is, guys. But stay tuned, guys. Watch the video. Continue watching this video because, guys, this is what it takes to install a mini split heat pump system. All right, let's go, baby. Whip up.
Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general, va a ponerle tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louie the Boilerman, your HVAC Bobby, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long.
Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Wepa! llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a ponerlo tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
¡Huepa!